How to find check-in instructions on Airbnb. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to find it up so you can follow others method for that, and let's get started. So we can open up the Airbnb application for that and log in into our account if we're not logged in. You can also access the website if you prefer. After that, what we can do is we can basically look out for the trips from the bottom menu available and go ahead and tap on it, and it will access us to our tips. So here you can just go and select up your upcoming reservations or anything else and tap on it in order to open it up. And then once you open up your listing, what you can do is your upcoming reservation. You can scroll down to the section for checking or getting there. So you can usually find that option. And when you head over there, you will be seeing exact address, something like this. Sometimes a direct option called check-in or getting there. You can scroll there and you'll be finding where you'll be at. You can look out for the maps location here, tap on it. And apart from that, once you've booked it, you will also be finding your check-in details such as your keypad code, lockbox, key pickup, etc. You can find it up. And also sometimes the photos and videos within the from the host. You can just go and check it out. And there are some things to know. You can check it out as well, such as house rules. You can check out your arrival time rules, etc. And also, after you're booked, hosts often send instructions there. You can check it out as well. And sometimes instructions unlock only after 24 to 48 hours before check-in. You can just go and check it out. They may appear closer to check-in time. Make sure your booking is confirmed. If it still is missing, you can message the host directly and get the instructions for your Airbnb books. And that's it. Usually you can follow this method to do so and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.